Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a Pride makeup inspired tutorial with my matching rainbow earrings, rainbow makeup. Let's start off by saying that I have been wanting to do a rainbow makeup look like this, Pride inspired. If you don't know, I am part of the LGBTQ community. I have a girlfriend and we have been together. Next month we will be celebrating our 12-year anniversary. I know, I feel like I've been with her half of my life, and I actually have, but yeah, I have been with my girlfriend for 12 years. That's crazy. Crazy. If you guys also don't know, we have a vlog channel, couple channel. I haven't really been uploading on there, but I think we will definitely start again. Just trying to get into the hang of things and, you know, all my YouTube stuff, because I have two beauty channels and then I have to edit and do the vlogging for the vlog channel. So yeah, Babe's kind of like the co-star in that channel because she just makes her appearances. Anyways, I wanted to do this makeup and I cannot even begin to tell you guys how impressed I am with how it turned out. I tend to get in my head a lot, if I'm honest, and I kind of like discourage myself because I always think like, oh, you know, I'm not talented enough, or I can't blend well enough, or I just get in my head a lot sometimes, and it kind of stops me from doing stuff like this that I actually love. Like, this is the type of makeup I love to do, and I used to do it when I was barely starting and I had zero blending skills, and I literally had zero makeup knowledge. Like, I was just starting to watch all the YouTubers. I was 15 years old and I would do like rainbow bright makeup back then. I think I'm gonna look for some pictures. Hopefully I can find some so I can show you guys. And I was so confident back then when I didn't know how to do much. And now I get in my head when I am a little more knowledgeable and I'm a little bit better, I would say, at blending. And I get in my head a lot and I stop myself from truly expressing my creativity. But this look, the way it turned out, the way it looks, definitely is going to push me to do more fun looks like this. Like, I really am impressed in what I did, honestly. And I always tell you guys, like, never give up when you're doing something, especially if you think you can't blend enough. If you're doing a makeup look and you feel like you don't really like where it's going or how it looks, just remove it and start again and push yourself. That's exactly what I need to do. Just how I tell you guys, I need to like follow my own advice, you know, and push myself to do more, because I know I'm capable of doing more looks, just being more creative, because like, this is what excites me. This is what makes me happy. This is what gets me like in my element. I'm there like, you know, going crazy because I get so excited with makeup, and I truly just have a love for makeup. So yeah, anyways, enough of all that blabbering. I hope you guys really like this look. As you can see, I will say, like, this is the first look I did off camera and it definitely is a little more rusty, and then this look is like, you know, when I got my little practice in and it looks a little bit better. I definitely think I should practice a little more in the blending on the colors on the lid so that I can get a better gradient effect or gradient look. But for my first look, after a very long time of not doing like a lot of color on my eyes, I feel like I did a pretty good job. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. I will be using the James Charles palette in this tutorial because it is the only palette that has those true like rainbow shades that I wanted to use, like that yellow, the green, that pink, the orange. Like, it just has the colors I wanted to use, that purple down there. So this is a palette we're using. You guys know I did a video, I found a dupe for you guys on this palette, so I will link the video down below. In case you guys have that palette, you can follow along with that palette. But I'm pretty sure A lot of the other shades that I use, you guys might have in other palettes because they're like, I would say typical shades like that hot pink. A lot of palettes have hot pink shades and stuff like that. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this makeup look, and very quickly, I want to let you guys know my earrings are from Burlington and they were like $5.99 or $6.99. Super, super cute rainbow earrings. When I saw them, I was like, you know what? They're going to go perfect with a rainbow look I want to do because I've been wanting to do one. So yeah, that's where my earrings are from. Now, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. But very quickly, I want to go over a few things for my lips. I am wearing the Italia lip liner in the color Natural Beige. And my Real Her lip gloss in the color I Am Brave. This is like one of my favorite lip glosses. It just makes your lips look so juicy and plumpy. And then I also added some highlighter on the center of my lips, if you saw in the little demo. But I am wearing as a highlighter, and then on my lips, the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It's a loose highlighter in the color Yassss. So Yassss for this highlighter. It's so pretty. It's a loose highlighter, and as you can see, it just looks beautiful on the skin. And then for my lashes, which I'm so happy with these lashes. They were so easy to apply, and they just gave the look, you know, that little that I needed. And these are Lashes by T. I have talked about them previously, and I have been wanting to use this style in particular, style Jalisco, which is the ones I'm wearing today. I just want to show you guys like the inside and the name of the lashes. And then it says up here, Mírame a los ojos. Super cute. I will leave her link to her Instagram down below so you guys can check them out. But that's basically it for this look. I really hope you guys liked it and enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like and share if you liked this video. And like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.